What's up, everybody? So welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacenta, and today I am doing a unboxing video. So here is the box, and it's from the company So Good BB. They have been around since 1997. The package came pretty fast, so let's get it open and see what I got. This is the second time getting something from this company, and they basically sell hair. Okay. They have an Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link to their Instagram down below. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay. So here we go. We got 2 wigs. And the first one, let's check it out. This one is Isadora. I think that's the name of it. Isadora. It's in the color number 2. It's a lace front wig. Natural baby hair. It's from the Vivica A. Fox hair collection, as you can see. And this is how the hairstyle looks. It's braided right here in the middle. And like I said, it's in the color 2. And it says something about hand-tied to Swiss lace. So I don't know what that means. So I'm learning about hair, doing hair. So let's go on to the next one. Ooh, this box is nice. Ooh. Okay, maybe we need to... I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to open it up in a separate video because you can't see a picture of this one. But look at this box. This box is bomb. I like this box. It's mysteriously. So it says slay. Another hair, another slay. It says sister. It says sis. And then it says sister wig. So it says slay lace H Shasha. And some is SOMBRERT rose gold. You can see a little bit of the color right there. Not too much. There you go. You can see a color of it a little bit. I think I'm going to be trying this one out first. Let's see. Oh, it's from the company Zuri. So yeah, looks like this. I'm not gonna open it yet. Oh, it's a lace pick. Oh, it does show the picture. I had to look around. So it's a lace front wig, high heat at 400, so it could take heat. Remy fiber, 1 part shape, and this is the picture of it. I don't think it's not that color. That color is bomb, but that cut is cute as well. So there we go. As you can see that picture. In my face. That hair is style is bomb. So that's going to conclude this unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for a review on both wigs. I'm going to try out one wig at a time and wear it for a while. And I'm tired. I just got home and I'm ready to just upload this video and chill out. Maybe tomorrow Well, yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll try this out. I'm gonna keep my hair like this and just tie it together, and so I won't have to do my hair over again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification button so you can get notified when I upload more videos, because I'm about to be making more videos. I know I always say that when at one point not too long ago I was on the road, but a lot has changed in my life, and my mind has been thinking, and my mind has been wandering and stuff like that, and I just want to express on my feelings and things that I've been doing, and accomplishments and things like that. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment box below. I might be doing another Q&A video. A lot of people liked it when I did a Q&A video not so long ago. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna leave that also down below. So yeah, that's it. I didn't work today. I went to my program, and I picked up my box because that's where it got sent. If you want to send me anything like mail, a letter, anything, it could be anything for Jasmine for when I get her back. You know what I mean? So always stay positive. You always got to stay positive. Positive vibes, positive mind, positive outcomes, positive everything. You just always got to stay positive and think positive and believe in yourself. So yeah, I'm going to leave the address where you can send me something to down below. And yeah, so that's all for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said,